Welcome! It is She Has to Be Chic Boutique back again with another video. And on today's video, we're going to be talking about DocuSign. In this series, how to get my job done without my boss knowing I really don't know how to do it. So let's get into it. As some of you guys know, I'm a teacher by trade, and I love to teach the students. But in this series, we're going to focus on the adults, and we're going to talk about work, because as you guys know, sometimes our boss gives us tasks to do, but they don't give us instructions. Trust me, I've been there, and you're currently there, and that's why you're tuned into my video. So today we're going to be talking about DocuSign. DocuSign is an application that is normally found in Google that electronically signs documents for you. And a lot of bosses are currently using DocuSign because we're all locked in and nobody can physically meet with their bosses right now. So we're going to go over how you can DocuSign a document, or how you can electronically sign a document and send it back to your boss. Because let's be clear, sometimes your boss expects for you to do something and they don't give you instructions on how to do it, because technically they don't know how to do it either. So that being said, let's dig into the tutorial and talk about how you can DocuSign your very first document. It's time to learn, so grab your pencil, your paper, your laptop, computer, or smart device, because I'm going to be dropping knowledge and you're going to want to take a lot of notes. And now you're in the DocuSign either website or the app. And the first thing you're going to do is look for the blue bar at the very top, and it should say sign or get signatures. And then also in that blue box, it should say new. That is the button that you're going to need. Now, if you've already set up the whole signature process, on the right hand side, you should see your signature. It should have your name. It should have when you signed up, and it should also have your email address. Now, I've blocked out a little bit of my information. That's why it looks like that. But to start things off, we're going to click on that yellow button that I have an arrow pointing to that says new, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, so for our next step, you click on the yellow button, and then a drop down is going to pop up. It should say send envelope and sign a document. And for the sake of this video, we're just focusing on signing documents. So from the drop down, you're going to click on sign a document, and that is step 2 in this tutorial. All right, next for step 3, you should get a pop-up box that comes on your screen after you click that button that says sign a document. Now you'll notice in this white box at the top left it says sign a document, and then there's a box, and there is a blue button that says upload. You'll notice the arrow on my screen is pointing to upload, because that is your next step. Go ahead and click that for me. After you click the upload button, it's going to show you things from your computer. What you're going to do is you're going to search for whatever document you've already downloaded to your desktop, to your computer. You're going to search for it and click on it. If you notice, I clicked on sample document because that is the document I need to sign. Once you do that, click choose, and that is step 4. All right, for step 5, still in that white box that says sign a document, now you'll notice on the left-hand corner, it has your sample document. Go ahead and click that. You'll notice mine says sample document. That's why I'm clicking on that. Click on yours. All right, after you've clicked on the particular document that you want to sign, now you'll have a screen that pops up that says please review and act on these documents. And then it will have your name in the top left-hand corner. You're going to want to click the yellow continue button in step 6. After you hit the continue button, next, your document should pop up on your screen. Make sure your document has places in which you can actually sign it. For instance, my document has a name and it has date, and you'll notice there are blanks. Those are what we're going to use in step 8 in order to sign our document. Okay, so in the left-hand corner, it should say fields. And then right underneath that, it says signature. Click on signature. it should have your signature written out with your name. You're going to drag that to the name line on your document, and that's going to digitally sign your document with your name. Okay, next, for step 9, now you're going to add the date. So go back over to the field section on the left-hand corner, scroll all the way down to where it says date signed, click on that, and then a date is going to pop up. Drag that over to the line on your document that needs a dated area and place it there. All right, we're coming toward the end. Now we're on step 10. So now we're going to send our signed document to the person in which needs this document. I take it it's probably your boss. So what you're going to do is you're going to put their first name, their last name, their email address, and then put a subject, put a little message, a little blurb right there, and then you're going to hit the send and close button. And what I love about DocuSign is after you send it, it's going to email you a copy of the document to prove that you sent it to that individual. So go ahead and hit send and close. Whew, we're done. Doesn't that feel good? You've signed your first document. And that's pretty much mostly the end of the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, of course, to my channel. I'm going to be bringing you more content on how you can do things on your job that you really don't know how to do and you don't want your boss to know you don't know how to do it. But don't worry. Shh. Secret's safe with me. I'm going to help you to do it. So anyway, I have a business. It's called SHTBCB Boutique, where I sell jewelry and accessories. Make sure you go to my website and subscribe because I send out discounts all the time that you can use on my site if you are a loyal customer and you subscribe, just like you're going to subscribe to this channel. But anyway, until the next video, and as always, this was SHTBCB Boutique.